Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and leave a little comment if you like the video. Tonight I'm going to be dyeing my hair peach with the Bleach London Awkward Peach. I've literally seen so many videos on YouTube of people doing this, and if you are a returning subscriber on my channel, you know that I dye my hair pink a lot with the Bleach London Rose. And I've seen the Awkward Peach and I really just want to try it. I have no idea what it's going to look like, but I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to do it like tonight, so I haven't got work tomorrow, and I thought if it goes bad then I can literally just wash it out tomorrow. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope it looks okay. Huge spot on my face. Yeah, it's time of the month. The product I'm going to be using is the Awkward Peach from Bleach London. Obviously I've just washed my hair so it's nice and clean. I'm just going to section my hair. Obviously I'm going to wear some gloves, and then I'm going to pop this all over my hair. Leave for, it says leave for, doesn't actually say. Half an hour. Mix some with the rose gold as well, but what should I do? Shall I mix it, or should I just use the Awkward Peach before and it did nothing to my hair? So maybe I'll just try the Awkward Peach. I'm getting a bit scared. Like, I hope it doesn't go ginger. So I put a towel around me. I've obviously sectioned my hair, so I'm going to put some gloves on. I apologise about the quality of the camera. It's like nearly 9 o'clock at night, so oh. I promise I don't have corona. So if you watch my other video, you'll know that you literally just get your gloves, put it on your gloves, and literally just massage it into the ends of your hair. Okay, so it's bright orange. Smells the same as the rose one though, so I suppose that's a good sign. Most people, like video I've watched, like they say it goes pink, but we will soon see. Literally, I'm begging this doesn't go bloody ginger. I'm a little bit worried. I'm sure it'll be right. I was really scared when I first did it pink, to be fair, so I'll leave some in. I'm going to use like half of it because I want to top it up if I like it tomorrow, so then it's like fresh for when I go to work on Friday. So I finished applying it. I'm going to leave it for like 25 minutes because obviously it's taking me like 10 minutes to like get the product on and massage it down. It's looking, I'm just looking at the mirror. When I usually do it pink, it goes really bright pink, so it's going like a sort of like pinky corally colour, which I'm quite liking the look of. So I think I'm going to like it hopefully. So I'm going to leave it for 25 minutes and then I'll come back to you before I wash it out. So I'm back, I'm literally just going to wash it off. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see the colour. It does look quite peachy. It's coming this light. So let's wash it off and see. So I thought I would film this morning, but just because the lighting is a lot better. And obviously I wanted to show you with the final like products with like my makeup on and stuff. It hasn't really done anything. You can see like it's quite peachy like round here, like at the front, and it's like just giving like a peach tint, not really like dyed it peach. I probably should have used the Tangerine Dream as well with it to make it more like orangey, but I mean it's quite pretty. I don't know if you can like see on the camera. Yeah, it's not really like dyed it peach. So if you're just looking for like a peachy tinge, then maybe give it a go. Maybe I didn't put enough on because I was a bit worried, wasn't I, that it went ginger. I mean, you can sort of see it. It's not exactly like it's peach though, is it? So I think this is a fail. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope it's helped anyone that's reviewing the Awkward Peach from Bleach London. And I think if you do want to go like more quite bright, I think you need the Tangerine Dream mixed in with it as well. I don't think like a really orange sort of peachy would suit me anyway. So I think this is quite pretty. Like and subscribe, and if you aren't subscribed, obviously, please subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.